Let's use the distributive property with radicals. So what I mean by that is we are asked to take this term right here, and the parentheses are telling us to multiply it with everything in the parentheses. So I'm going to write my equal sign. I'm going to take the first term and go ahead and multiply. But remember the rule, the numbers outside multiply together and numbers inside radicals multiply together. So I have a negative times a negative 4. That just changes to a positive 4. And then the radical 3 has no other radical in this term to multiply with it. So it's going to remain a radical 3. The arrow sometimes helps us to stay organized. So this shows me I have to repeat the process, but with this term now. So I have a negative radical 3 times a positive radical 3. Negative times positive is negative. Radical 3 times radical 3 is radical 9, but the square root of 9 is 3. This is your final answer. You might need to switch it around if they ask you to change the, if they want the number in front. So you would put the negative 3 in front and then consider this a positive 4, so be sure to write plus 4 and keep the radical with it, of course. So this is just rearranging the answer in the last step.